Hi, Mark McConnell from GoNutrients. So right now, we have this one of our products that we developed recently. Our client requested that his coffee would have dragon fruit and green barley. So the coffee itself is the coffee, which we use Robusta or Arabica coffee, which is like same thing as Starbucks, non-dairy creamer. And we use stevia to ensure that if they're diabetic, high blood pressure, it won't affect your, let's say sugar levels. So the two benefits that our client requested for herbal coffee is dragon fruit and at the same time green barley. So these are the benefits of dragon fruit. So these are the 5 benefits of dragon fruit. Number 1 is it's really high in nutrients. Second is may help fight chronic disease. Third is that it's loaded with fiber. Number 4, it promotes healthy gut. And for me, this is also really important, which is number 5, it strengthens your immune system. So these are the 5 benefits of green barley. So these are the 5 benefits of green barley. Number 1, it reduces hunger and may help you lose weight, especially if you're on a diet. Second is it provides insoluble and soluble fiber content, which improves your digestion system or digestion, especially if you're having a hard time on a day-to-day basis. Third is it prevents gallstones and may reduce your risk of gallbladder surgery. Number 4 is that it has beta-glucans, which may help lower your cholesterol. And number 5, which for me this is really important, is it may reduce heart disease risk. So those are the 5 benefits of green barley. So those are the 5 benefits for dragon fruit and green barley. Now, if you have the same comment or you think you want to suggest more benefits based on the top 5 that I mentioned, please comment below. And also, we also really help a lot of entrepreneurs develop their own brand from start to finish, from product development, layout and design, total packaging, FDA assistance, marketing support, and of course, we also provide free delivery. So guys, you can also check our website. It's www.gonutrients.ph, or you can visit our Facebook page or our YouTube page. It's GoNutrients Manufacturing. So please subscribe, like our channel so that we may be able to help more entrepreneurs and businesses locally and abroad. Be great, guys.